Howdy and welcome back to my channel. This is my new scope and it has these basic lens covers. They are not fog-proof nor waterproof, and when removed you have to put them in your pocket. Then, when you're done, you have to find them and put them back on the scope. Definitely unpractical. I want to replace them with flip-ups. I found these covers on Aliexpress. They are extremely cheap and seem quite robust to me. I measured the external diameter of eyepiece and objective and ordered the right size. In few days I received this envelope. Let's open it. Here they are. At first sight, they seem good to me. The rings are made of rubber, while the caps are made of more rigid and stiff kind of plastic. They close well, are rainproof, and the springs have the right force, in my opinion. Their color is a good matte black that should match well with my scope. Time to mount them on. The fit of the eyepiece cap is perfect. Very well. Also, the objective cap is just the right size. They are super convenient. Now I have a question for you. What is your favorite setup for the caps opening? vertical or horizontal? Please drop your comments down below, giving me your opinion and your reasons. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoy this content. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you soon on the next one. Thanks for watching.